y'all doing? Nothing? Exactly. Get in here as we pop open wig number 1. This is Sensational's Wood Lace Natural Density Hairline Cloud 9 Anisha, and this is in balayage chocolate. This is a 13x6 hairline with HD lace, and this is a glueless unit. She is also heat safe from 350 to 400 degrees. It's a standard cap construction, and it is big head friendly. My small head girls, it'll work for you too. Just tighten your headband. Now, the first thing I notice is I am going to have to cut the ear tabs on this wig. I honestly need like a 10x6. These 13x6s wear me out, honey. But what I can say is the hair is super soft. It's like a natural Yankee texture. And I love how effortless this bob is. This bob is cut down. The one thing you want with a bob is for it to move, for it to look good straight. And if you decide to throw some curls in it, she'll look good too. So I'm going to do my standard, put a couple slits in here, cut off the ear tabs, and then I'm going to spray a little lace adhesive because I have a small head and I don't want my wig to be moving. After making sure that the spray was dry, I applied my wig band and let that melt for a few minutes. Nothing major. I took that off, dusted a little of the Kiss wig lace powder across the front, and I was pretty satisfied. I don't do baby hairs on wigs like this, so I wasn't going to do that, but look at this hair. I'm talking left side, right side, defined part, undefined part, because I kind of like it without an undefined side part. I just like that little whoosh to the side. And look, I parted it down the middle, y'all, and I think I'm going to take a hot comb to this and bust her down the middle because she was cute. Yeah, she was even cute. Go grab Anisha from Sensational. Again, the color is in balayage chocolate, and you won't be disappointed. And don't forget, y'all, if it's on my head and I decided to tell y'all about it, it's going to be worth your money. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Bye.